Hello artists, welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am making a tiny silly frog face out of clay. Whenever you are working with clay, it is a good idea to knead the clay like this. Press it down with your palms, pick it up with your fingers, and repeat. I like to repeat about 10 to 15 times until the clay is noticeably softer and smoother. After you knead the clay, section the clay into separate parts. I made one chunk for the frog's eyes and tongue and another chunk for the frog's mouth. I am making a pinch pot for the frog's mouth. You can make a pinch pot also by pressing your thumb into the middle of a ball of clay and pinching your thumb towards your fingers like this. Rotate the clay while you pinch to open the clay wide like a small pot. You can use your extra clay to make other parts for your sculpture. Notice how I shaped the eyes and tongue of my frog with my extra clay. If clay pieces are not put together correctly, they will fall apart. You need to use a clay tool to score the clay pieces in a checkerboard pattern. Then add water to the scored sections of clay and stick the clay pieces together firmly. Finally, smooth out any creases, cracks, and bumps with a little bit of water on your finger. Repeat the process of scoring, slipping, sticking, and smoothing clay together until all of your parts are attached. You can use your fingers, hands, and clay tools to sculpt your clay creation into a form that feels right. When you are happy with your design, remember to write your name or initials on the bottom so your hard work doesn't get lost in the kiln. This little frog will need to air dry for a solid week or two before spending a whole day in the kiln. For now, he will wait and dry with his friends. Try to imagine how you could make a similar pinch pot critter in your own style. Happy making, artists. Enjoy.